Right, Alpha and Omega. I'll be showing you how to play that song using the key of C sharp, right? Alright. Iqala muna nampini ya rona, right? On this chord. This chord is created by the key of F, right? F. I get the song. This chord is created by the key of F, A sharp, and C sharp, right? This is our first chord, and then from here it comes here, right? This one is created by the key of G sharp, C, and also D sharp, right? From this one, it comes to this one. This one is created by the key of G sharp, C sharp, and also F. This is our first chord. This is our second chord. This is our third chord. Right? If you're still following, please drop a like. If you're still following, please drop a like. This is our first chord. This is our second chord. This is our third chord. Right? This is our first chord. This is our second chord. This is our third chord. You are Alpha. Right? I'm gonna introduce the bass. When you hit the first chord on the right, your bass goes to number 6, right? Because remember, you have number 1. On C sharp, we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is number 6. Right? When you hit the first chord, your bass goes to number 6. When you hit the second chord, your bass goes to number 7. When you hit the third chord, your bass goes to number 8, or you can call it number 1, because this one and this one is the same thing, right? The only difference between the two is the octave. So it's gonna go like, you are Alpha. And then from here, it's gonna come back to the second chord, and then, and Omega. Right? I'm gonna repeat it again. You are Alpha, right? And then and Omega. If you're still following, please drop a like. If you're still following, please drop a like. I'm gonna repeat it again, together with the bass, right? You are Alpha, right? You are Alpha. And then when you come back to the second chord, your bass goes to number 5, right? And then it stays there. And Omega. Let's go again from the top. You are Alpha. When you go back to the second chord, your bass goes to number 5, and it stays there. And Omega until you say Ga. When you get to this one, it goes back to number 1. Right? I'm gonna repeat it again from the top. You are Alpha. And then and Omega. From here, it's gonna go to the chord of C sharp major, which is this one. This is where it says, we worship you, our Lord. Right? It comes here to this chord. We worship, right? This one is created by the key of C sharp, and then F, and then G sharp, right? This one, and then this one, right? This is where it says we, and then it comes here. Whoa. This one is created by the key of C sharp, F sharp, A sharp, right? C sharp, F sharp, and then A sharp, right? We were, right? I'm gonna start from the beginning, right? You are Alpha and Omega. From here, when you hit this one, your bass comes to number 4, right? Because we have number 1, 2, 3, 4. Your bass goes to number 4. After this one, it comes here to the chord of F sharp major, which is created by the key of F sharp, A sharp, and C sharp, right? F sharp, A sharp, and C sharp, right? We worship, right? We worship, and then it's gonna say you are. You just move from this button to this one, right? From C sharp to D sharp, right? I'm gonna start from the beginning, or I guess I'm confused, right? You are Alpha and Omega. Okay, Audimu. We worship you are. From here, worship you our Lord. Wait. Repeat. Our Lord. Yeah, this one, right? This chord. The chord of, I think, is A sharp second inversion. A sharp minor second inversion, if I'm not mistaken, right? I'm gonna start again from the beginning. You are Alpha. From here, and Omega. And we worship you, our Lord. And then you come here to the chord that we started with, right? And then you are, right? You are word. And then you come to this one. This one is created by the key of D sharp, D sharp, G sharp, and C. Right? You are where, and then V, you come to this one, and then to be praised. When you hit this chord, your bass goes to number 5. When you hit this one, it goes to number 6. When you hit this one, it goes to number 7. When you hit number 1, it goes to number 1. Right? You are worthy to be praised. From here, it's gonna say, we give you all. Quite easy, right? Let me show you. It comes to C sharp major, and then it comes C sharp major, which is created by the key of C sharp, right? C sharp, I don't want to lose you. C sharp, F, and G sharp, right? C sharp, F, and G sharp. This one, it comes to this one. From this one, it comes to this one. This one is created by the key of C sharp, F sharp, and A sharp, right? This one, and then it comes to this one. This one is created by the key of D sharp, this one, and then it's created by the key of G sharp, and also by the key of C, which is this one, right? Meaning it's gonna be this one. We give you, and then we're gonna go to that one that we started with, which is this one. Oh, right? We're gonna come to this one. I think it's A sharp minor second inversion. This one, yeah. It's gonna be we give you all. Right? Yeah. I want to teach you something here. So, how we give you all. Right? Instead of saying we give, instead of playing this one, right? I want you to play this one. I think this one is F major, right? Yeah, it's F major. Yeah, it's F major. I want you to include this one. It's created by the key of F, A, and C. Right? Straight F, A, and C. Meaning is gonna be, we give you all. And on your bass, I want you to say, to go from 1, right? 8, 7, and then you come to, right? To A. On your left, it's 8, 7, A, and then 6. Okay, I'm gonna repeat it again. We give you all. Right? Okay, I'm gonna start from the beginning so that you can be able to see how it goes. You are Alpha, right? And Omega. We worship, right? We worship you, our Lord. Single notes. You are worthy to be praised. One last time. You are Alpha, right here, and Omega. We worship you, our Lord. Single notes. You are worthy to be praised. We give you all. Don't forget. We give you all. Right? I'm gonna move from here. Oh, you're gonna come to this one. This one is created by the key of D, G sharp, and C. D sharp, G sharp, and C. All there. And then you come to this one. Glow. This one is created by the key of C sharp, F sharp, and also A sharp. C sharp, F sharp, and also A sharp. Glory. And then you come to this one, the one that you started with. How no, we give you all. You come back to it, right? We give you all. And then the glory. Right? I'm gonna introduce the bass. We give you all. When you come to this one, your bass goes to number 5. And number 4 on your left, glow, and number 1, glory. Right? And then it repeats the same thing again. We worship you, our Lord. You are worthy to be praised. Right? If you're still following, please drop a like. I'm gonna show you how I personally played this song, right? I'm gonna show you how I personally played this song. If you're still following, please drop a like. So this is how I play it. Thank you for the gift, guys.